am Shreya Jain. I am from Kishan Lal Pawan Kumar Jain and I lead the finance team here. So I am a chartered accountant by profession, and recently, a few months back, I have joined this firm. So I've started with the finance team here. My journey has been both challenging and rewarding as a woman because gaining the trust of employees has been difficult, but with time and consistency, it has definitely improved. So I have approximately 12 employees who report to me directly. Out of which 7 to 8 employees work in the office and other are working in the stockyards, which directly report to me. Tata Tiscon being a brand has really helped me providing a structured organization in my business, and the brand comes the trust. So it's easier to communicate with people when they see that I'm associated with a brand like Tata Tiscon. This year will be our highest ever year of sales. The journey with Tata Tiscon has really been nice because obviously it's helping us, and this growth goes hand in hand with Tata Steel and with our organization. Tata Tiscon really encourages women in leadership roles. Tata Steel also has women working in the mines. So I feel that there is a lot of gender equality in Tata Steel, and also there's scope over there for women, and there is no gender inequality. So we are really very open to keep females in an organization. We provide a very good work-life balance. So in that ways, many people want to work in our organization because the female staff really gives good reviews about us to the other team. I feel that the female staff is much more confident and comfortable. So they can come up to me and ask whatever they have. They discuss their issues. So Women of Steel basically to me means resilience, leadership, and the ability to balance multiple responsibilities and breaking stereotypes at the same time. There have been incidences where, like I've received a call at 11:30 in the night from the stockyards that truck had gone, but it had been intercepted by the police. So at that time also, like 11:30 in the night, I have to be available on the call. So balancing work and life is never easy, but I truly believe that women are built for it. So the Women of Steel in my life is my mother. I have seen her never back down from any challenge that comes her way. To all the incredible women out there, your strength, resilience, and determination inspire the world every day. Keep breaking barriers, lifting each other up, and proving that women are unstoppable. Happy Women's Day.